Hey everybody, you are on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add LG TV to Google Home. Let's go. Open Play Store or App Store. Find LG app. Create account and add your LG TV to LG app. After that, open the Google Home app. Device, Add, works with Google. Find LG app. Continue. Log into your LG account. After that, your TV will be transferred from the LG app to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to add LG TV to Google Home. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.